All right, language explorers. So let's look at this Saturday's phrasal verbs. So dress the part. To wear clothes that make you stand out. Yeah, to be very visible. Visible. Formal. Formal. And appropriate. Yes. Appropriate for the occasion. Yeah. So we could say to dress the part, so to dress smart, and not to wear casual clothes like this. Yeah, change that. Yeah, very good. Yeah, not like that. So this, to dress the part. Yeah, I like to dress the part. By, let's change that. By dressing the part, I can look more professional. Yeah, I always dress the part as it is part of the branding and being consistent. Being consistent, always the same. Consistent. By dressing the part and wearing suspenders and a white shirt, I look consistent and I build the brand. By dressing part, I build the brand. Yes, very important. Yeah, how cool is that? So, they like to dress the part when it's social events. Yeah. It is important to dress the part and look very professional, elegant, smart. Elegant, smart, and just amazing, just confident. Confident, yeah. Confident. How cool is that? Let's get a picture. Confident, yeah, there we are. There we are. Yeah. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? So he dressed the part last night, yeah. He looked amazing in his three-piece suit. He really dressed the part. Wow. How cool is that? She's trying to dress the part. Yeah, so she will dress the part in her long and elegant red dress, skirt, dress. Yeah, let's try and get a picture. Dress. Yes, like this. Yeah. Oh, not quite. Yeah. That one. There we are. Yes. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, soon he will have to dress the part all the time, every day. Yes, it's important. Yeah, so when you make it a habit of dressing the part, you can look very elegant and professional all the time. Yeah, people may take you more seriously when you've got an amazing suit on. Yes, how cool is that? Yeah. So one habit that I would like to develop is to wear a suit more or less all the time. That way I always dress the part and look very, yes, professional, yes, but what else? Professional, confident, elegant, yes, amazing, very powerful, yeah, a bit strong, very Unique. Unique. One of a kind, yeah. How cool is that? Unique, one of a kind. Only one. One of a kind, yeah. Unique. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. How cool is that? So, can you use dress the part in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. More lessons to come. How cool is that? And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram when you search for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too by searching for Adrian Nanchev. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.